Hello, welcome back to Get to Craft. Here's another journal I just made for someone who loves cats and color blue. And it's handmade from everything I had around. And there's a cute blue ribbon. This was a Trader Joe's bag, and I glued on the dictionary page and I sewn it onto the cover. I also sewn the cover to make the pockets here. And here's a blue dyed paper with a cute kitty cat that I created, and there's goodies inside there, and there's a pocket, and the blue dyed paper. I got a really cool blue dye recently. And resume paper works great, really nice texture like vellum, and I stamped it. Looks cute. There's a couple little things in the next pocket that I've sewn onto the page. There's little embellishments, and that is my digital paper pattern that is available in my shop for printable downloads. There's another pocket with a lot of goodies in there. So there's another blue dyed paper. I love that color blue. More grid paper with stamps, more vellum resume paper, and on we go. That is an envelope that is on the other side. You'll see it later, but that kind of makes a cute design and points to the word love. And I love old ledgers. More blue paper, writing paper, leftover paper, blue paper, leftover paper stamped, grid paper, construction paper, junk mail envelope with goodies inside. And I create and sell these stamps for decoration. There's that ribbon sewn in here for continuous design, and I love sewing through paper and ribbons. I made a stamp by hand, just cut out some pieces of foam and glued it onto a wooden block. This is a sticker that I found. This is an old envelope from a greeting card with distressed, ripped up pages, distressed stamps, and cute little look things inside. Cat paw, cute little kitty cats everywhere. Here I included that blue ribbon, the same from the before. I've sewn onto the page to secure the signatures, and that's the signature, and that's all hand sewn, but it's secure so it doesn't rip the paper. This blue ribbon is going to save it. Another stamp with that handmade stamp that I made. And more goodies and distressed envelopes and pages. And the other side of that junk envelope, the one that has the window. And more pages for writing. And decorative stuff and pockets, and grid paper and vellum paper and dyed paper with dyed blue. This stitching is for the stuff on the other side, which is another envelope pasted onto the pattern paper that I make. And the last page, and there's goodies in this pocket. These are for notes. And there's the back and the front. Thank you for watching.